Hello everyone, welcome back again. Standard 3 subject looking around environmental study, and today I'm going to explain you chapter 24 from your workbook. Chapter name is Web of Life. So here first is MCQ. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. First is, what do humans need to survive? Options are A. Air and water, B. Air and food, C. Water and food, D. Air, water and food. So we need all these three things for survive our life. Air, water and food. D is the right answer. Then after come on next question, question number 2. Which of the following is not needed for building a house? Options are A. Water, B. Mud, C. Clothes and D. Bricks. So, which is not needed? So, B is the right answer. Mud. Third, on what do animals stand for food? Options are A. On wheels, B. On plants, D. On rivers, C. On rivers and D. On mountains. So animals depend on food for food on plants. Okay. 4 is, from what are bricks made? Options are A. From sand, B. From plant, C. From mud and D. From stones. So C is the right answer, from mud. Then after 5 number question, which of the following do plants not give? A. Flower and fruits, B. Water, C. Strong wood and D. Shade. So what is not give? Plant not give. Plant not give water because we got water from rain. 6 number question. How are snakes useful to us? Options are A. They control the rat populations or populations. They sting us. C. They make holes in the ground. D. They drink milk. So how they useful for us? So they control the rat population. So they add the rat and they control it. So rat will not destroy our farms and foods, grains, etc. thing. Okay, so snake useful for us. Then after second one is blanks. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an approximate word. A. With breath. First one, we breathe in air through our nose. Second, we can see the moon becoming large and small in the night sky during a fortnight. Third, we get heat and light from where? Sun. Fourth, the birds know as the pigeon is called an angel of peace. Fifth one, the worm knows as earthworm. Worm knows as earthworm is said to be farmers' friends. 6. We make houses for protect on against summer, winter and rain. So house protects us from rain, summer and winter, all this season. Now the next blanks are 7. The slaters are all living creatures in the earth. 8. Rats are the favorite food of snakes. Rats are the favorite food of whom? Snakes. 9. The cool light what we get from the moon is given it to by the sun. When we see the light from moon, now we get light from moon. It's given to by the sun only because moon don't have their own light. They get the light from sun only. Now come on next page. Question number 3 is a right or wrong. Put a tick marks in the front of statement. Those are right, and the cross in the statement. Those are false. A rat is creature that destroy grains and crops. Yes, right. Rat is a creature that destroy our grains and crops. Second, we should always protect tree. Yes, we should always protect tree because tree bring rains, tree give us fruits, foods, and tree clean our air. So we should always protect our tree and plant. Third, we can live without air. No, we can't live without air. Fourth, the moon look like a full circle on Amavasya. No, it's Amavasya. We can't see the moon. 5. Cows and buffalo give us milk. Yes, right. This is true. Cow and buffalo give us milk. 6th number. We lives on earth. Yes, we lives on earth. 7. Crows and vultures are the scavengers birds. Yes, this is true. 8. Our pet animals go to the forest for their food. No. Our pet animals eat our house food. They are not going to the forest for their food because we give them food to eat because they are our pet. Now after this, question number 4. Match the column approximately. Column A and column B is here. Here's the answer column. Let's match with this. Sun. Sun match with D. Original source of energy. B. Second, snake. Snake match with E. Get rid of the red mayonnaise. Tree. A. Give fruits, flower and shade. Give us fruits, flower, shade and wood also. So tree is useful us. Air. B. Basic needed for living creature. It's a basic need. Air, food and water is our basic needs. 5 number. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. First, what do humans need for survive? Answer is humans needs air, water and food for survive. So these 3 is our basic need. Which gas do we use for air? Air we breathe in. So what we take our breath in? Answer is we use oxygen gas to breathe in. Third number, which two celestial bodies are necessary for us to live? Sun and moon is a necessary us. Fourth, the name the animal useful for farming. Oxen, earthworm and buffalo. Oxen help us for farming our merds and farm. Earthworm also helping us and buffalo also helping us for its animals are used for us for in farming. Now come on next page. Question number 5. Name the plants used as medicine. Answer is tulsi, neem, ardusi, nilgiri, etc. plants are used as medicines. 6. What does the sun give us? Answer is sun give us light and heat. 7. When is the moon perfectly round? Answer is on full moon day. Moon is perfectly round. We see moon perfectly in a gold circle shape, on a round shape on a full moon day. 8. Which fuels do we obtain from earth ground? Answer is we obtain fuels from the earth like coal, petrol, natural gas, etc. Now 9 number question. What is the earth ground made of? Answer is the earth made of stones, mud, soil and organic substance. 10. There is air around us, but why do we not feel its presence? Answer is air does not have color, smell, shapes, or taste. That's why air is around us, but we do not feel it. So, air is around us, okay, but we not feel its presence. That the meaning is air have no color, no smell, and no shapes and no taste. So it's all around us. Air is around us, but we do not feel it because they have no color, smell, and taste or shape. 11 number. How is air helpful in bringing rain? Answer is when strong wind blow, then the water droplets in clouds dash against each other and come down in as rain. So it's helpful to bring rain. Air is helpful to bring rain. Question number 12. For whom is the air useful? Human, plants, birds, animal, etc. thing. Air is useful. All the living creature we need, all the living creature for we need air. Humans, plants, birds, animal, insect, etc. After this, there is the brief questions. Question number 6. Answer the following question briefly. First, explain the usefulness of water. 1. Answer is first option for drinking, for bathing, for washing clothes and utensils, for farming, for digesting food, for blood circulation in our body, and 7 for animals and birds too. So for these things is usefulness of water. Now see the second number question. Say how the plants kingdom is useful to us. Answer is first, we use grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits as foods. From where we got? From plant. Second, plants like basil, neem, etc. are used as medicine. Wood is used as for making furniture. Some plants are also used. For this answer, come on next page. To decorate our house. 5. Making useful things like papers, cotton, oil, gums, spices, etc. are obtained from plants. So these 5 more important things that is useful us for plant. Now come on next question. Third number. Say how the animals kingdom is useful for us. Answer is first, animals like cows and buffalo give us milk. Second, hen give us egg and meat. Third, bulls and auctions help for farming. Fourth, horse, camel, elephants are used to carry heavy loads. 5. Shoes, belt, jacket, bags, purses, etc. are made from leather for dead animals. 6. We get honey, wool, silk from the animals. So animals kingdom is useful for us like this 6 important things. After this, come on next question. Question number 4. Why should we take care of the animals and the plant kingdom? Answer is animals give us many useful things and plants keep our atmosphere clean and fulfill our basic requirements. Our life will become difficult without animals and plants. So, we take care of the animals and plants kingdom. It's very necessary. Question number 5. What do we use as food? Answer. We use grain, pulses, vegetable, fruits, spices, milk and milk product as food. Now see the question number 6. How are the following animals useful to us? Dog guards our house. Sheep give us wool. Honeybee give us honey. And earthworm make the soil soft and fertile. Fertilize the earthworm. It's very useful. Now see the 7 number question. Which vehicles do we use for traveling? Answer is we use cycles, scooter, motorcycle, auto rickshaws, bus, taxis, car, train, bullock cart, camel carts, truck, airplanes, ships, etc. for traveling. These are vehicles for we are using for traveling. Now come on next page. 8 number question. How are vehicles connected to our life? Answer is vehicles help us to go quickly from one place to another place. We can travel alone or in a group in vehicles. We can move our luggage from one place to another place. For these things, vehicles are connected to our life. It's very helpful for us. 9 number. State which wealth has been obtained from the earth ground. Answer is first things from food, second things for fuel, and third minerals, fourth number raw materials to construct building. These things we got from this wealth. These are very important wealth that's obtained from earth ground. It's a natural things. 10 number question. How is the air useful for to us? Answer is first living being inhale and exhale air. Second, air is necessary for burning the things. Third, sound is heard due to air. Fourth, air brings rain clouds. 5. Air is filled in trip. 6. Air is needed to fly kites and aeroplanes. 7. Air spread good and bad smells. So this thing for we need air. Now 11 number. Which things we needed to make a cot? Wood come from tree. Nails come from irons. Cotton crop come from cotton. Core come from coconut fibers. So this thing we need to make a cot. Now come on next page. 7 number. Classify the following substance into those obtained from plant and those obtained from animals. So substance obtained from plant: jaggery, oil, gum, lake, rubber, sugar, paper, wood. Substance obtained from animal: milk, ghee, honey, silk, wool, leather, and eggs. 8 number. How are the linked things shown in the pictures? Come let us find out. Draw our picture in the blank space. Now join picture with the line. All those things will you feel are needed for you to live. So you can see here you have to draw in the circle. You can draw your own face or you can write here human. Human beings need all these things. They are attached with all this, mostly all these things. So you have to match with the things which are attached with each other. Like human being need house, this earthworm, air, grass, human being need grass, house, these things, sun, they want water. Human being want plants, they are attached with plants. They need cow for do works. They need moon, soul. So these things are necessary. Like this, all the things like plant want water. These things are attached with each other. They need for survive their life. So like this you have to match with their arrow and a line. After this, come on next page. Here's hot question. Answer the following question by finding the correct answer option from those given below each question and writes corresponding letter in the box provided in front of each question. First number, what does the sun give us? Options are sun give us coolness, rain, heat and light, and D, food. So C is the right answer, heat and light. Sun give us heat and light. Second number, which of the following animals give us wool from winter clothes? Options are A. Elephant, B. Sheep, C. Horse, D. Camel. So sheep give us wool for winter clothes. Third number. There are is a there is a loss of greenery on earth during the monsoon because options are A. It is very hot during the rainy season. B. There is many festival during the rainy season. C. It rains during rainy season. And D. The rivers are flooded during the rainy season. So the right options is it is rains during rainy season. So there is a rain, so we saw lots of greenery on the earth during the monsoon. 4. What water from the seas evaporates due to the heat of the sun and rises into sky as vapor. In which form does it return to earth? Options are A. Dew, B. Flood, C. Wind, and D. Rain. So it's come from rain. D. 5 number. What does a house protect us from? Options are A. Rain, B. Heat, C. Cold. All above them. D. D is the right answer. House protects us from rain, heat, and cold. All above them. So all of the above. So D is the right answer. Like this, here is your chapter is completed. Hope you all understood chapter. Complete your workbook and do learn regularly. In my next video, I will explain you a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy, everyone. Bye.